When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic review. We are really motivated to hear we've made so many people happy. We work with everyone individually to reach our 5-star service goal. Our approach really is one experience at a time. It's that simple. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to everyone we serve, and in return, we receive incredible loyalty. Experience our service and you'll be amazed. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.